Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, I have a link below. Click on that link. You'll get $25 towards your first fix, and I'll get $25 credit so I can keep doing these videos for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, it's a $20 fee. Personally, I have a style pass where I pay $49 one-time fee, and I get unlimited styles for fixes for 1 year. Hey guys, so within the box, you'll receive your style card, your price sheet, and your return mailer to mail back any items that you want, and 5 items. So here's my style card. I received a fix about a week ago, and I've been really disappointed lately with my stylist. So I sent Stitch Fix an email stating that I wasn't happy with the stuff that I was receiving. It was florals. I don't ask for florals. I have it on my style profile saying that I don't want florals, and they keep sending it to me. And some of the items just didn't fit my age group. So I wrote them, and they decided to give me a new stylist, which I'm fine with. Nikki was great. We had a great run. But now I have a new stylist. Her name is Danette. And it says on my sheet here, "Happy Fix Day, Kristen. I'm so excited to be your fresh set of eyes for this fix, and I hope I'm able to bring you some new styles to love. For this fix, I focused on versatile pieces that you could wear now and into spring. First, try on this distressed girlfriend jeans from Vigos. I love Vigos jeans. I saw you have received them in the past, but none in a dark wash. This wash is perfect for dressing up or dressing down for a night with your girlfriends. Try them on with the striped button-down top from Vixby, a long cardigan, and pair with your favorite ankle booties. For a day out with your kiddos, try on these jeans with the Z Supply camo top and the toms you received in previous fix. How do you like this? How do these new styles feel to you? Is there anything you'd like to see in your next fix? Please let me know at checkout. XO, Danette." So the items I received are pretty cute. I looked on the little card. So if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe and stay tuned. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the items, and at the end, I'm gonna let you know prices and then my total for my fix. So the first item that I received is by Vixby. It is this cute top. It's very soft, and it's a little bit thin. It has a pocket. And what you can do in the front here is you can tie these in a knot, and it looks like it's 3/4 length sleeve. Very cute. Let me fix this collar. I like this. It's a cute top for work that can dress up or dress down. It has some stitching here that you can see. So that's really cute. Let's read the item, and I'll have at the end of each item what they are up on the screen so you can see. So this is the Vixby Tompkins tie front top in white, size extra small. Okay. Next item here we have is this gray top. Very cute, very soft, very versatile. And it has some detailing here with some patch sleeves, which I think is really cute. It's kind of velvety. And then on the back, you have these buttons that go down. It'll be really cute to wear, you know, under a cardigan or just by itself. And this item we have here is the Staccato Artemis button-down back detail knit top in light gray, and it's a size extra small. Okay. All right. So the next item, oh, this is a button-down too as well. Really cute. So this must be a theme here that she has, is this top that we have here. It is like a blue wash and like a cream color, and it's 3/4 length sleeves right here. And then in the back, again, we have some button downs, which I thought are really cute. And this is the Pink Clover cami button back knit top in navy, size extra small. All right. And then the next item that I received is from Z Supply. and it is a white top, baseball tee, which is really cute. And then there's camo, which I love camo. 3/4 length sleeve here. Very nice. A lot of 3/4 length sleeve here because we're going into spring. This is the Z Supply a Lewis Cotton Blend knit top in white and camo, size extra small, which is really adorable. And then we have here the jeans that she had told me they are girlfriend or tomboy girlfriend jean. And here they are. They are a dark wash. I do have a light wash, and they do have some distressing on the knee, not too much, which I could wear these to work since there's only a tiny bit of distressing. And then there's no distressing on the back. See these? Nothing on the back, but they do have a little wash here. And at the bottoms, they do have the little cuffs. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is try these things on for you, and then we'll come back and go over pricing and let you just know what I decided to keep. Okay guys, so here is the top. I think it's really cute. It's nothing like I have. I tied the front. You can double knot the front, but I like it just tied one time and like have it lay down. It's a high-low, so it kind of brings it in. So we'll get a little bit closer. It's 3/4 length sleeve. It's kind of thin, so I'll have to wear maybe a tank underneath it, but it's cute. It's nothing like I've ever had. So, you know, let me know your thoughts on it. It's something different, different eyes on my style. So I think this is kind of cute. And then next we have, I'll bring it down, are the jeans. So let me move this over here. So here we go. Here are the jeans. Let me move this up. They are cute. Only thing is they make me look really wide right here. So I'm not sure about these. I think they're cute. They fit really nice. But let me know what your guys' thoughts are with these jeans. I mean, they're cute, but we'll look at the prices. And then at the bottom, they're kind of like a capri, but not. So we'll see here. Let me know what you guys think on these. They're not super amount of distressing on the knees or here. Okay. Okay guys, so next I have the Z Supply top on. It's really cute. It's a little bit thin. It fits really nice. I love the camo. So I'll come down so you guys can see. This is the material. It's a little thin, but it's cute for spring. I really like it a lot. Yeah, it's cute. I could definitely wear it with the jeans or something else. It fits really nice. So like, let me do a turn so you guys can see. It's cute. Let me move back. It falls a little bit longer, which I like because I have a long torso. But yeah, this is cute. I don't own anything by Z Supply, so we shall see. Okay, guys, so next is the striped navy top. It's cute. It's super soft. It's 3/4 length sleeve. It's okay. See the button detailing down the back. The style's a little bit older for me, so it's okay. I'm not like super wowed by it. But yeah, I mean, it's cute. What do you guys think? Here is the 3/4 length sleeves and the material color. And then in the back, you can see the buttons. So I need some advice on this one. It's cute, but I mean, I'm looking for a little bit more color, and this is just really basic for me. Okay guys, so here is the last piece. I keep everything paired with the jeans. So it's a gray top. It's kind of baggy. You can see the button detail in the back. Also the elbow sleeves. It's really basic, so I mean, yeah, it's not wailing me, just like the last one. The first two were good, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's super soft, but I just think it's a little bit too big right here and here. Like I need something that'll, you know, pull me in a little bit more. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, so I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts and pricing. So the first item are these jeans right here from Bygos, the Elaine Distressed Girlfriend jeans in navy, $68. These fit really nice, but since we're getting into spring, I have tons of jeans, and I think I want a really light wash jean. Maybe, I forget the name of the brand, but they were really cute. I'll have to look back on some of the stuff that I've seen, but I'm not looking for dark jeans right now, so I'm gonna pass on these. Okay, so next is this button back top from Staccato, the gray top. It was cute and super soft, but really just not my style. It's coming into spring, so I want a little bit more color. This one was the Stacco light gray shirt, and it was $44. It's a little pricey for that, so I'm gonna pass on it. Next is this pink clover top. It's really cute, but it's just not something I would reach for. It's not really my style, so I'm gonna send that back. It's pink clover, and that was $38. This one is the Z Supply shirt. I love this top. Really love camo, love this top. It's super thin. I love this camo style, but the price on it is $42, and I know I can probably find this somewhere else cheaper. So I'm gonna pass on that. So the last item I'm looking at is the Bixby top. I thought this was really cute and different. I love the tie front on it. This was the Bixby top, and it was $42. So I'm on the fence about that Bixby top. I thought it was really cute. So the total for my box was $234. Buy all 5 discount, buy all 5 discount of 25% is $58.50 off. And then I have a $25 credit thanks to one of you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Which the total is $175.50 minus that $25 credit would be $150.50. I thought this was a great deal, but I'm not sure what I want to keep. I really don't need jeans. The Bixby top is really cute, but $42, I don't really think it's cute. I need a little bit more color. So Danette, you did an awesome job. I really appreciate it. But I want to ask for some light color jeans and a little bit more color. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.